What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Want to give you a small update. So I got the frame done for the double door. As you see, we got the cutout and we got the door sitting in there, which is the last step, but we're about to put the frame in, tack it in, and then the next step is to put the door. So giving you a small update, showing you what we're doing. Imagine your container. It's steps. You don't have to go all the way out, but you do have to get started. So that's what we're doing today.
Yes, sir.
Got my canopy out. This thing is awesome. My guy chilling like you just don't know, boy. I'm glad I got this little canopy, man. Just don't know out here. It made the world of difference. The world of difference. So we out here getting a hog on, making things happen, living to be remembered. Black Feniks.